into the witness chair, settled himself, and regarded Atticus with haughty suspicion, an expression common to Macomb County witnesses when confronted by opposing counsel.
Mr. Ewell, folks were doing a lot of running last night. Let's see, let's say you ran to the house, you ran to the window, you ran inside, you ran to Mayella, you ran for Mr. Tate. Okay, never mind.
Yes, Sam! Sam! Sam, smile at me! Sam, look up!
You, during all this running, run for a doctor.
Well, no need to. I seen what happened.
But there's one thing I don't understand. Weren't you concerned with Mayella's condition?
I positively was. I seen who done it.
No, I mean her physical condition.
Oh, that was
Did you not think the nature of her injuries warranted immediate medical attention?
What?
Didn't you think she should have had a doctor immediately?
The witness said he'd never thought of it. He had never called a doctor to any of
his
in his life. And if he had, it would have cost him $5.
Now that all?
Not quite. Mr. Ewell, you heard the sheriff's testimony, didn't you?
How's that?
You were in the courtroom when Mr. Tate was on stand, weren't you? You heard everything he said, didn't you?
Mr. Ewell considered the matter carefully and seemed to decide that the question was safe.
Yes.
Do you agree with his description of Mayella's injuries?
How's that?
Atticus looked around at Mr. Gilmer and smiled. Mr. Ewell seemed determined not to give the defense the time.
What's you, Addison?
I'm pretty sure. So,
Mr. Tate.
Mr. Tate testified that her red eye was blackened and that she was beaten around the...
Oh, yeah. I hold with everything Tate said.